Welcome back everyone, I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we'll be walking through how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows. So without any further delays, let's get started. To install Visual Studio Code on Windows, we need the installation file. So let's go to the web and download the installer. Here, I'm opening up Google Chrome. So let's type in VSCode. And let's go to the website code.visualstudio.com. Let's click on downloads for Windows. Our download is now getting started. Our download is now complete. Let's click on the installer and let me minimize this window. Let's accept the agreement and click on next, next and next. Here make sure you check these three check boxes and let's click on next and click on install. This installation may take some time, so I'll meet you once the installation is complete. Our installation is now complete. Let's leave this checked and let's click on finish. A Visual Studio Code is now opened. As you can see here, there are a lot of options, so you can go ahead and customize it as per your interests. That is it for this video, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends and drop your valuable suggestions and thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.